Hi everybody, Jim here. So in this quick video lesson, we're going to talk about getting the note heads smaller so they look like cues. There's probably a few different ways to do it in MuseScore 4. I'm looking at a clarinet part here and I want to have that as cues. You can go to properties and see if you have selection filter open, and if you don't, you can go to view and you're going to go to F8. It's properties, not selection filter. In properties, you're going to go all the way down to where you see notation, and it's usually near the bottom, and then you're going to click on note. So again, you're going to go to properties, you press F8 or go to view and then click on properties. Go to note. After you see note, you're going to click on head, and then you're going to look where it says small note head, and then we're going to check to see if it changed. There it is. When I teach it, there's a lot of steps to it, but it's fairly fast once you get it down. So real quick, you want to go to properties, you go to view, and then you're going to go to notation, look for head, and then you're going to go down and look for small note head. There's probably other ways which I've done before, but this is what's been working for me lately. I grasp what the brain can grasp right away. Hope it helps. Bye.